Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do the continuation of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. First, we have to learn the formula for finding the sum of n terms of an AP. Let for the given AP, first term equal to A, common difference equal to D, number of terms is equal to n, and last term equal to L. If the sum of terms of the AP be denoted by S, then the formula is S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. This is one formula. Another formula is S is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Keeping this formula in your mind, let us start the exercise. First question. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, 8, 3, minus 2, etc. The given APB 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Here A is equal to 8, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, and n is equal to 22. We know that the formula sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, here we have to find out the sum of 22 terms of the AP. Therefore, S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. That is 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5. That is equal to 11 into minus 89 equal to minus 979. Hence, the sum of 22 terms is equal to minus 979. Next question. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that their sum is 78? Here, given APB 24, 21, 18, etc. Let n be the number of terms. Here A is equal to 24, D is equal to 21 minus 24, that is equal to minus 3, and Sn is equal to 78. Since we know that the formula sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is 78 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. 78 equal to n by 2 into 48 minus 3n plus 3. 78 into 2 is equal to n into 51 minus 3n. 156 equal to 51n minus 3n square. That is 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Here 3 is common factor. N square minus 17n plus 52 equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term, n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 equal to 0. That is n into n minus 13 minus 4 into n minus 13 equal to 0. That is n minus 4 into n minus 13 equal to 0. Either n minus 4 equal to 0, then n is equal to 4. Or n minus 13 equal to 0, then n is equal to 13. Hence, the number of terms are 4 or 13. Next question. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 8n minus 5. Given that the nth term of an AP be 8n minus 5. Therefore, we can find out the first term, second term, third term and so on. First term is equal to 8 into 1 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Second term is equal to 8 into 2 minus 5, that is equal to 11. Third term equal to 8 into 3 minus 5, that is equal to 19. Therefore, the AP is 3, 11, 19, etc. Here, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 11 minus 3, that is equal to 8, and N equal to 28. We know that the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S28 is equal to 28 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 28 minus 1 into 8. That is equal to 14 into 6 plus 27 into 8. That is 14 into 222. That is equal to 3108. Next question. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of first 17 terms of it is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Given that S7 is equal to 49 and S17 equal to 289. We know that the formula sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. It is given that is equal to 49. That is 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. That is equation number 1. Now S17 equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. That is equal to 289. 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 by 17. 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. That is equation number 2. Subtracting equation number 1 and 2, 10d is equal to 20. Therefore, d is equal to 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. Putting the value of d in any of the equation, 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. That is 2a plus 6 into 2 equal to 14. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2n equal to n square. So I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.